Hey sellers! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your Amazon listing with the right keywords, this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you how to use Helium 10's magnet tool, one of the easiest and most powerful ways to discover keywords that actually convert. Make sure you stick around until the end. I've got a up to 50% off coupon code you won't want to miss. Magnet is Helium 10's dedicated keyword research tool. It lets you start with just one seed keyword and instantly generates thousands of keyword suggestions based on Amazon search data. It also gives you search volume, competition levels, relevancy scores, and more, all in one dashboard. Let's walk through how to use it. Log into your Helium 10 account and click on Magnet. Enter a broad keyword that describes your product, for example, yoga mat, and select your marketplace, like Amazon.com or Amazon.in. Click Get Keywords. Within seconds, Magnet pulls up a huge list of related search terms that real Amazon customers are typing in. You don't need 5,000 keywords, you want the ones that actually matter. Use the filters on the left to narrow by minimum search volume. Word count. Magnet IQ score, the higher the better. It means good traffic with lower competition. Smart Complete shows actual Amazon autocomplete phrases. You can also sort keywords by search volume just by clicking the column header. This helps you instantly find high traffic opportunities. Magnet is also amazing for long-tail keyword ideas, phrases like non-slip yoga mat for home workout. These have lower competition and are great for ranking fast. To find them, increase the word count filter to 3 or more, and you'll see highly targeted keywords that can bring in the right buyers. Now for the good part, discounts. Use the code EBIZA10 to get 10% off every month forever. Or, if you prefer a bigger short-term saving, use EBIZA20 for 20% off your first 6 months. And if you use our special affiliate link in the description, you'll unlock exclusive deals you won't find anywhere else. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've tried Helium 10 or plan to.